So, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're doing cool. Now, this is CADJPY chart that I shared with you, and of course, I'm anticipating the delivery above this particular level, whereby it is annotated by this particular eyeball. Now, CADJPY, I'm bullish. Of course, seasonal tendencies is communicating bullishness in the card at this particular point in time. And of course, the quote hedging program is also communicating bullishness. So, this is my graded swing. This is the origin. This is the terminus where I'm expecting the move to end. Of course, can be able to see the market took out this sell side liquidity pool over here, residing below this particular low. And the best reverses when liquidity is taken out. So, liquidity was taken out. Then the market broke this particular structural high, of course giving us an indication that it will be able to be poised to be on the buy side of the curve. Now, of course, this is the last trading week for the month of April, and of course you can be able to be getting the instances of capping of the monthly range and what have you. Now, I graded my swing from this particular low, the origin, to the terminus, so I'm expecting the move to end. You can be able to see the first entry somewhere here, the best order block. Now, this is the 50% of the graded swing. Three things can happen over here: either the formation of the best order block. Number two, we can be able to be having price consolidating around this particular area because it's the equilibrium price point regarding this range high to this range low. And of course, imbalances are usually formed at this particular area as well that are usually left open. But this one, the market gave me the indication of a bullish order block. So I'm anticipating price to give me the reversal over here for us to attack this particular buy side liquidity pool. So that is it. I'm wishing good luck, a wonderful rest of time. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.